Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set default duration of new events and what it does in calendar on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down and tap on calendar. Then you want to swipe down again and go to duration for new events. So from the factory it is going to set for 1 hour, but you can change it to 1 hour 50, so 1.5 or 2 hours. So let's say we want to go back to calendar and now create a new event, maybe on Monday, hit the plus, and as you can see we have duration time and 1 hour. So let's cancel it and go back. Let's now open settings and set the duration for new events for, let's say, 15 minutes. So now if you are going to open calendar and create a new event, as you can see this is going to last 50 minutes. So this is how you can change the duration for a new event. For me the best works the 55 minutes because you have those 5 minutes between full hour. So I'm going to set it to 55 minutes. And yeah, this is it. This is how you can change the default time for a new event in calendar on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.